Hey, what's going on guys? Nick Corona here, and today I'm going to update you on the Brozz 250, which unfortunately has been sitting like this in my garage for about 2 months now with no back tire, no front tire, the seat ripped off, everything pretty much torn apart. And the good news is we are almost ready to ride again because I just got my new tires mounted. So, if you have tried to get tires for this bike, you know what a hassle it is. It's such a weird size. So, I was popping tires like crazy. I popped 6 or 7 tires in my first 1,000 miles, and it's just from thorns going through it because the tires are so thin. And I'm gonna crawl over here and show you guys. Even just looking in the top of this tire right now, that's a thorn. That's a thorn. Look, there's like 20 right there. Look, there's huge thorns here. Oh, I can probably even see them coming through the other side now. Not all of them, but you know, some of them end up going through and popping your tube, and at the end of the day I have unreliable tires. So we got the Recon tires here. The Recon tires are what come with the Brozz Recon, and it has these huge knobs on it. Look how big of a difference this is. That's our new one, that's our old one. And the new ones are still, you know, ADOT approved. You can use them on the road. They're just much more aggressive. And the real big difference is with the backs. I mean, look at that. That is a serious knob. I'm super excited to give this a try. I'm hoping it'll solve my problems as far as the tires. I went to get a new chain and found out a 120 link chain, which is like the standard for most dirt bikes and motorcycles, is not what this bike requires. It has 124 links on it, and they say to buy a 130 link, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research. It is a normal chain type. I'm just not sure about the length quite yet. There's also a few more things. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I was having a hard time with my gas gauge. It just doesn't work. You turn the bike on, and it's totally dead. Jeff from P Sports even sent me a whole new gauge cluster, and it did not fix the problem. All the plugs look good. Everything else in my harness works. So along with these tires, we got a new float. So this new float is pretty much the last component in the entire system that I haven't messed with yet. The other issue that I had, if you guys have been watching my Brozz videos, is that the bike keeps dying on me. Like when I'm out riding, I could be riding around for 2 hours, go to start the bike, it starts, or maybe if it doesn't start right away, it basically turns over a few times and dies. If the bike sits for more than 2 or 3 days, it's completely dead. So I finally figured out, oh wow, it looks way better, doesn't it? Huh. Anyways, this is a one taker, so that's what you get. I found out what it is, guys. Move the seat here. So right here, this is your alarm system, and this is the thing for your remote start and a bunch of crap. Unplug all of it. Unplug this, leave the, I hate this. You don't need this crap. Get rid of that. And this, I would pull it out, but what I found is if you don't have these 2 wires hooked up, that the bike won't shut off. It's the weirdest thing. Let's see if we can do it here. Okay, all good? Cool, now watch this. Let's unplug both of these. All right. And the bike is still on, so I guess you have to have it a little bit. And then you got to use the choke. So when that happens, when that happens, I just choke it out to kill it. But leave these two plugged in. So yeah guys, other than that, I'm looking to get on the bike tonight. I'm going to be ordering a chain soon. I'm going to be tackling the sprocket next and the exhaust. The first 1,000 miles has been a lot of preventative maintenance. I'm going to go through the entire bike and take out every single little nut and bolt I can and put Loctite on it because I have rattled some very important stuff off. I've almost lost a few lights. I almost rattled my rear brakes off. So if you ride hard, that's something that you might want to do no matter what, because it's a motorcycle and you don't want to be losing stuff. Yeah, look forward to some more videos, guys. Let me know what aspects of this you want to see. The only other upgrade I've made to this bike is it does have a better battery in it now because I ruined the stock one with all of these electronic issues. It caused the cells to die, so that's something you could be experiencing too, so I would recommend trying what I just did and then trying a new battery. I bought it at Batteries Plus. I could put a link for that below just so you guys know which one it is. It was kind of hard to find one that would fit in it, but it is out there. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and get on the road and hurry up and get this back together. So thank you guys so much for watching, and till next time, peace.
I would